common issue that was reported to Team Hornbill was the fact that the logging category of a request was too hidden away. Previously, it was in the details section of a request, and you had to rely on the analyst knowing where to go and how to edit this in order to populate it. This was especially obvious if you had a wait for category style checkpoint in your process, as it wasn't always clear what to do here in order to progress the workflow. Also, we found it was typically taking 5 or 6 clicks to populate this one piece of information, so it wasn't very efficient. So to improve this, we have now moved the logging category into its own Action tab. It's clearer, it has fewer clicks, and also offers some extra benefits. For example, this request is currently awaiting an owner. So if we add an owner and click Assign, the next step here is to wait for the request category, but it's now very clear that this is the next action as it's opened up automatically, and it's ready for the analyst to populate. This automatic focus is actually controlled in the business process. So if we navigate to the process in the admin tool, click on the Wait for Category Suspend node, and you can see this new category drop-down menu item has been selected under the Action Focus option, which controls that clear visibility at that particular point in the process. Let's go back to the ticket and show you another additional benefit, which is the ability to provide some additional information about the categories themselves. If we select IT, hardware, and printer, you can see we've now added a short description about the selection, which can be used to help the analysts understand which category should be used and when. If you'd like to configure this, again, navigate to the admin tool and specifically to the Request Profiles page. If you need to find this, it's under System, Data, Profiles, and Request. From here, if you navigate to your required category, so IT, hardware, and printer, you can see this optional description field is what you would then populate if you want to provide this additional extra information to your analysts. Let's go back to the ticket one more time and update the category that we've selected. And this is to show you the final additional improvement we have made, which is adding the selected category to the right-hand informational panel. This makes it very clear, obvious, and prominent, always on the ticket, to show you what has been selected. As well as this, if you have selected a description, there's a little informational tooltip which you can hover over to provide information about the particular category that has been selected.